The Military Merit Medal is hereby awarded to First Lieutenant Florentine Liang, Adjutant General Service Reserve Philippine Army, for dedicated service and unwavering volunteer support during the conduct of various activities of 2nd Infantry Jungle Fighter Division for calendar year 2025, 2nd AD Camp General Mateo Kapingping, Tanay Rizal. By command of Major General Palaoro Jr., Official Ismael P. Mandanas Jr., Colonel, Master in National Security Administration, Infantry, Philippine Army, Chief of Staff. Signed, Emmanuel Platay, Lieutenant Colonel, Adjutant General Service, Philippine Army, Division, Adjutant.
Ready, sir? Ready, 1, 2. Thank you, sir.
Muli, bigyan po natin ng isang masigabong palakpakan ng ating mga military awardees.